Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data and environment. Make a full backup now because repairs can overwrite files. Once done, check that you have at least 20 GB free and the device plugged into AC power for stability. Next, confirm your Windows 11 Pro license and note model and BIOS version so you can download correct drivers. Finally, create recovery media. This gives you a rollback option if anything goes wrong, and it speeds later repair steps. You now perform the essential fixes that resolve most issues. First, run the Windows troubleshooters and install pending updates to address known bugs. Then open an elevated PowerShell and run sfc/scano to repair system files, followed by dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to restore the component store. Once those complete, update drivers from Device Manager or the vendor utility. Because driver mismatch off, you finish by cleaning up and validating stability. Reset or reinstall troublesome apps, then test core functions. If problems remain, use System Restore or reset this PC and choose to keep your files to preserve data. Once done, verify updates and run one last reboot. Make sure performance and networking behave normally. If the system still fails, boot safe mode, gather event viewer logs, and perform an in-place upgrade repair from installation media. This often fixes deep corruption without losing files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.